In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up customer statements in QuickBooks Online. Customer statements are a great way to give your clients a clear summary of what they owe and which invoices are still outstanding. They're especially useful if you have repeat customers or want to send regular reminders without manually tracking every single invoice. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create these statements in QuickBooks Online, configure them properly, and then either email or print them. First, let's get to the statement creation page. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look to the left-hand side menu and click on Sales. Under Sales, choose Customers. This will bring up a list of all your customers. Here, you can decide who you want to include on your statements. If you only want to send statements to a few customers, check the box next to each of those names. If you want to send statements to everyone in the list, you can use the option to select all. Once you've made your selections, look for the Batch Actions drop-down menu at the top or bottom of the list. Click on Batch Actions and then choose Create Statements. This opens the main statement setup window. Now it's time to configure the statement. At the top, you'll see a statement type drop-down. This is important because it controls what information your customers will see. If you choose Balance Forward, QuickBooks will list all open invoices and payments up to a certain date and show a running balance. This is useful for customers who have ongoing activity with you. If you choose Open Item, the statement will only list open, unpaid invoices within a specific date range, such as the last 365 days. This is ideal when you just want to focus on what's currently outstanding. If you choose Transaction Statement, QuickBooks will show all transactions within the date range you set, including paid and unpaid items. This works well when your customers want a detailed activity report. After picking the statement type, set your statement date. Then choose the start and end dates for the period you want to cover. Take a moment to make sure these dates reflect exactly what you want your customers to see. Finally, before sending anything, quickly confirm that the customer email addresses are accurate. This helps avoid bounced emails or missed statements. When you're ready, select Save and Send to generate and email the statements directly to your customers. If you prefer to handle them later, choose Save and Close. This will create the statements as PDFs, which you can come back to for emailing or archiving. And if you want physical copies, you can open the preview that QuickBooks generates and print the statements from there. That's all there is to setting up customer statements in QuickBooks Online.